In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoho CRM account. Whether you're simply looking to tidy up your digital presence or transitioning to a new platform, deleting your Zoho CRM account is a straightforward process. Just make sure that this is indeed what you want, as this change is permanent and cannot be undone. First, you'll need to log in to your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Setup section. You can usually find this in the top right corner of your dashboard, which serves as the control center for managing your CRM settings. Click on it, and it should open up a menu where you'll see a variety of options available. In this menu, locate the General section. Under this heading, there's a link called Company Details. Clicking on Company Details will take you to a new page where you can manage all the specifics regarding your company's CRM account, covering everything from your company name to contact information. Now, it's important to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Here, discreetly nestled in amongst the other options, you'll find the option to delete CRM account. It's placed here quite intentionally as a way to ensure that it's not clicked on accidentally. So, take a deep breath, and when you're ready, go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a crucial warning prompt. This is not a step to rush through, so make sure to read the warning message thoroughly. It's there to reinforce the seriousness of this decision, as deleting your CRM account means that all the data and configurations associated with it will be lost forever. So if you need any of that information, ensure you have backups or have exported everything in advance. Once you've considered this warning and you're absolutely certain about proceeding, go ahead and confirm the deletion. As soon as this is done, you'll notice that you've been immediately logged out of the system. This swift exit signifies that your Zoho CRM account has been successfully deleted. To seal the deal, a confirmation email will be sent to your registered email address. This email is the final piece of proof confirming the deletion, neatly wrapping up the process. Ensure you check your inbox and maybe the spam folder to verify that you've received it. And there you have it, a simple process to delete your Zoho CRM account. Ensure that all actions are deliberate, as these steps cannot be undone. If you're comfortable with these final steps, congratulations, you have successfully managed your digital footprint. Thank you for watching, and be sure to reach out if there are any further questions.